In rural America stood a quiet farmhouse. It belonged to an old farmer, Mr. Thompson. Life in the countryside was hard and lonely. Young people left, chasing cities and brighter futures. But Thompson stayed, keeping his family tradition alive. Every evening before sunset, he lit a lantern. The lantern's glow signaled, "You are not alone." Neighbors often saw it from far country roads. It was a symbol of warmth and safety. One winter night, a terrible snowstorm arrived. Roads closed, power lines broke. Families felt trapped. Fear spread quickly across the quiet countryside homes. Through the storm, a glow appeared in distance. It was Thompson's lantern, shining in the dark. One by one, neighbors walked toward his farmhouse. Inside, they found firewood, soup, and shelter. Fear turned into laughter. Hope filled the room. The farmhouse became a home for everyone. When the storm finally ended, people gathered outside. They saw the lantern still burning in window. One man said, "This light saved us tonight." From that day, the town began to change. They reopened the small store, repaired the school. Slowly, life and children's laughter returned again. Every evening, the lantern shone across wide fields, a symbol of unity, kindness, and community spirit. Even in emptiness, a single light brings hope.
Moral of the story: rural America may face struggles, migration, poverty, and loneliness, but its strength lies in unity, tradition, and human connection. A single light of kindness can rebuild an entire community.
If you found this story inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to Storyhaven. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, your future.